In 3 short years, Olmaz Jewelers has captured the hearts and trust of their customers and embodies the qualities and values that define a truly outstanding local business. Co-owned and managed by friends and business partners Jack Dowd and Elie Abu Rajali, this family-owned and operated retailer earns customer loyalty and racks up the 5-star Google reviews, with exemplary customer services and a commitment to quality. Located in Eastgate Crossing, at Olmaz, customer satisfaction is the cornerstone of their business, as they strive to ensure that every individual who walks through their doors receives the utmost care and attention. Through their community volunteerism and generous donations to local nonprofit silent auctions, Olmaz has positively impacted many organizations, including Hope Renovations, the YMCA, Ronald McDonald House, and Orange Literacy. Olmaz owners are generous with their time, as well as serving on the Chamber's board and membership committee and leading a new retail leaders group to share best practices in local retail management. For their continued growth, exceptional customer service, and meaningful contributions to the community, we are proud to name Olmaz Jewelers the Chamber's 2023 Micro Enterprise Business of the Year.